Passive income often sounds like endless tenant calls, repair bills, and property checks, but some families earn more than $20,000 a month without managing rentals, fixing leaks, or lifting a finger. In this video, you'll see how families earn $20,000 a month with no tenants, no repairs, no work. The strategy is real, proven, and powered by what sits beneath the ground, not the house on top. Stick around to learn how this income stream works, why it keeps growing, and how it builds generational wealth while everyone else chases side hustles. Give Luxo-Life some love and let's get started. The big truth: most real estate wealth is underground. Wealthy families buy land mainly for the resources hidden beneath the surface. Oil, natural gas, and rare minerals can pay out for decades while buildings depreciate. These commodities appreciate over time and generate steady royalty checks that arrive whether or not you visit the property. Because extraction happens far below the surface, you avoid tenant turnover, late rent, and maintenance emergencies. Instead of weekend repairs, you simply review monthly statements and bank the income. The resources also hedge against local housing slumps because global demand sets prices. Once people grasp this advantage, they begin treating land as a mineral bank rather than just a place for a house. What are mineral rights? Mineral rights grant legal ownership of everything under the soil, including oil, gas, metals, and stones. Owners can lease these rights to energy companies in exchange for cash bonuses and ongoing royalties. You may keep the land and lease the minerals, or own only the rights without the surface at all. This flexibility lets investors tailor deals to their goals and risk levels. Mineral rights often trade separately from the surface, which means hidden value might exist under a property even if the house looks ordinary. Sophisticated buyers hire landmen and attorneys to verify exactly what conveys at closing. Understanding these rights unlocks opportunities most everyday investors never see: surface rights versus mineral rights. Surface rights cover everything visible: homes, barns, crops, roads, and fences. Mineral rights cover what is invisible: pools of oil, seams of coal, pockets of gas, or veins of precious metal. These two bundles of rights can be sold together or split, so a homeowner might mow the lawn while someone else collects drilling royalties. Savvy investors study title reports to know who controls each layer before buying. When both sets of rights belong to the same owner, the property commands a higher price. If they are split, you may still add value by negotiating to reunify them. Knowing this distinction prevents surprises and maximizes long-term profit. Why old money loves it. Mineral rights deliver income without the hassles common to rental housing. Energy companies handle exploration, drilling, compliance, and cleanup while you collect checks. There are no late-night phone calls about broken water heaters or tenants skipping rent. Payments arrive even if you are traveling or focusing on other ventures. Because royalties are tied to commodity markets, they can soar when demand spikes. Families pass these rights down because the effort stays low while the benefits last for generations. Passive, scalable, and durable, this is why mineral rights remain a cornerstone of old money portfolios. How the cash flows. The revenue stream starts with a signing bonus when you grant an exploration lease. If tests confirm viable resources, the operator drills wells or sinks shafts at its own expense. Once production begins, you receive monthly royalties that are calculated as a percentage of gross sales. These royalties can continue for decades, often surviving multiple changes in property ownership. Some leases include escalation clauses that raise your share after certain production milestones. Because royalties are property income, you can pledge them as collateral for loans, adding even more flexibility. Few other assets combine upfront cash, recurring payments, and low involvement so elegantly. Real example. Picture a family in West Texas owning 500 acres that appear to be dusty pasture land. Beneath that soil lies a productive oil formation discovered by seismic surveys. The family signs a lease with a reputable driller that soon completes 10 wells across the acreage. With an 18 to 25% royalty, checks totaling more than $20,000 roll in every month. The wells run 24 hours a day with crews hired and paid by the operator, not the family. Meanwhile, the land still supports cattle grazing, adding modest surface income on top of royalties. It is real-world proof that minerals can outperform traditional rentals many times over. It's a hedge against inflation. Energy prices tend to rise when inflation heats up, which means royalty payments often increase in lockstep. While cash savings lose buying power, mineral income adjusts upward because global markets reprice oil and gas. Advances in drilling technology also unlock additional reserves, extending well life and boosting output. This built-in hedge protects portfolios when stock dividends or bond yields lag behind cost of living jumps. Investors appreciate having an asset that moves opposite to inflationary pressure. Mineral rights, therefore, serve as both an income source and a financial shock absorber. That dual role adds resilience to any wealth plan. Mineral rights can be sold or inherited. Because mineral rights are real property, they can be transferred, sold, gifted, or placed in trusts just like land. Many families keep them for decades, letting each generation enjoy steady royalties without new capital outlay. When liquidity is needed, owners may sell all or part of their rights for a lump sum, often at attractive multiples of annual income. Rights can also be fractionated so siblings or cousins each own a defined share, reducing future disputes. Estate planners favor mineral assets because they are simple to value and easy to divide. Flexibility, longevity, and predictable cash flow make them ideal legacy tools. How to get started? Research begins by mapping proven basins such as the Permian in Texas or the Bakken in North Dakota. Verify mineral ownership before making any offer, since not all listings include underground rights. Hiring a geologist or landman to run title checks and production records helps avoid costly mistakes. Compare lease bonuses, royalty rates, and operator reputations to secure the best terms. Network with experienced mineral brokers who specialize in off-market deals where competition is lower. Once you own rights, monitor commodity markets and well reports to stay informed about performance. Knowledge and due diligence are your main investments up front. Risk to know. Not every parcel hides lucrative reserves, and some drilled wells never reach commercial production. Commodity prices can slump, temporarily reducing royalties or delaying development plans. Operators may abandon projects if costs rise, leaving acreage idle for years. To manage these risks, focus on land surrounded by active wells and reputable companies with strong track records. Diversifying across regions and resource types further cushions downside exposure. Always read lease clauses on shut-in payments, development schedules, and royalty calculations. Careful evaluation protects your capital while preserving upside potential. How the rich protect it. High-value mineral portfolios are usually held in trusts, LLCs, or limited partnerships rather than personal names. These entities shield owners from lawsuits and isolate liabilities within each asset. Income can be distributed among family members in tax-efficient ways, often lowering overall rates. Structured ownership also streamlines estate transfers and keeps disagreements out of court. Wealth managers regularly review insurance and compliance to ensure environmental claims do not pierce corporate veils. Professional oversight plus legal entities create a durable fortress around royalty streams. In combination, they keep wealth intact for the next century. Final truth. Buildings age, tenants move, and markets cycle, but minerals beneath the ground can generate cash for generations. Their production requires little from the owner besides basic oversight and periodic paperwork. This makes mineral rights a stable anchor in volatile economic times. Families that think beyond quick flips favor assets with such longevity and low stress. When managed correctly, royalties feel like a paycheck from the earth itself. Reliability and passive growth explain why mineral rights remain a quiet favorite of long-term investors. In a world chasing shiny trends, steady income never goes out of style. Luxury homes depreciate. Land compounds. Mineral rights create forever cash flow. Mansions and sports cars lose value every year, while land with mineral rights usually appreciates and writes you a monthly check. Even modest acreage can outperform high-end rentals when resources flow beneath it. Royalty income requires no late-night maintenance calls and no marketing for tenants. It can finance other ventures, fund education, and secure retirement without selling the principal asset. Because minerals are finite and essential, demand and prices are likely to stay strong over decades. This is how families quietly pull in more than $20,000 a month with no tenants, no repairs, and no daily work. Once you understand the model, you can start scouting for your own hidden streams of cash. Thanks for watching to the end, Luxo lovers. If this deep dive clarified how underground assets outshine traditional rentals, tap like, share the video with anyone chasing passive income, and comment which insight inspired you most. If you're new here, subscribe to Luxo-Life and ring the bell so you never miss our next wealth building guide. Your support fuels more content on strategies the rich use every day. Stay curious, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Luxo lovers.